Hello everyone, welcome back to Talk's Academic Word of the Week. This week we'll be looking at the word coordinate. Coordinate. How many syllables do you think this word has? Coordinate has 4 syllables. Co-or-di-nate. Coordinate. Now, where do you think the stress goes in this word? If you said the second syllable, you're right. It goes over or. So the word should be pronounced coordinate, coordinate, with a little bit more stress and volume on that syllable. So what does coordinate mean? Well, before I give you the definition, let's see if you can guess the meaning from context. Read the sentences on your screen with coordinate and its other form, coordination, and see if you can guess the meaning based on what is being said in each sentence. You can pause the video now if you need more time. Coordinate means to arrange things in an effective way. Is this the same definition that you had? If not, go back and try the last exercise one more time. Now, let's take a very quick look at the part of speech of coordinate and its other word form, coordination. You see the sentences on your screen again, but this time, instead of focusing on the meaning, see if you can guess if the word is being used as a noun or a verb or an adjective or any other part of speech. Once again, if you need more time, you can pause the video now. If you said that coordinate was the verb form and coordination was the noun form, you're correct. And you may have also used the helpful hint at the end of the word coordination, T-I-O-N, to help you understand that it was a noun. Okay, now that we've gone over the pronunciation, the meaning, and the part of speech of coordinate and its other word form, it's time for you to do some practice on your own. You can start with the question on your screen. Do you prefer to coordinate group members or to be coordinated, and why? You can post your answers on our social media pages, and we look forward to seeing you next week for our next academic word.